Artificial intelligence. It writes code, it diagnoses diseases, it creates art, drives cars, and might even be your virtual coworker. But where did it all begin? How did we go from science fiction to ChatGPT in just a few decades? Today, we're diving deep into the complete history of AI, the breakthroughs, the setbacks, and where it's all heading. Let's rewind the timeline. The idea of machines that think goes back centuries, from Greek myths to mechanical automatons. But modern AI began in the 1950s. In 1950, Alan Turing asked the big question, can machines think? He proposed the Turing Test, a way to evaluate machine intelligence. Then, in 1956, at Dartmouth College, the term artificial intelligence was born, thanks to John McCarthy. Early AI focused on logic and symbols. Computers could solve math problems and play games like chess, but these systems had limits. They couldn't learn, just follow rules. By the 1970s, AI hit its first reality check. Funding dried up, progress stalled. Why? Because people realized teaching a machine to solve a puzzle wasn't the same as real thinking. This period became known as the AI winter, and it happened not once but twice. In the 1980s and again in the early 90s, AI overpromised and underdelivered. Even so, behind the scenes, key ideas were forming, like neural networks, expert systems, and genetic algorithms. Then came the turning point, machine learning. Instead of hard-coding rules, machines started to learn from data. In the 2000s, thanks to better hardware, cheaper storage, and big data, ML started to work. Email spam filters, product recommendations, search engines. It wasn't human-level intelligence yet, but it was useful AI. Enter the 2010s, and AI takes off like never before. In 2012, a deep learning model called AlexNet crushed image recognition benchmarks. Suddenly, neural networks were back, bigger and better. From there, things snowballed. 2016, Google's AlphaGo defeats world champion Lee Sedol in Go, a game previously thought too complex for machines. 2018-2020, transformers like BERT and GPT revolutionized natural language understanding. 2022, ChatGPT launches, the fastest-growing consumer app in history. 2023-2025, AI generates music, videos, code, and powers virtual assistants that feel almost human. Today in 2025, AI is everywhere. In medicine, AI analyzes MRIs and predicts disease. In business, it handles customer support and crunches data. In creative fields, AI helps write novels, scripts, and design products. Tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Claude, and Gemini are changing how we work, think, and even learn. But with great power comes big questions. Will AI take our jobs or make us more creative? Who controls the algorithms? What happens when machines can make decisions we don't understand? We're now discussing AI alignment, regulation, and even AGI, artificial general intelligence, machines that could think like humans or beyond. From Turing's test to GPT-5, the journey of AI has been wild, and we're only getting started. Whether it becomes our greatest tool or our biggest challenge, one thing's clear, AI is shaping the future. So stay curious, stay sharp, and subscribe to Ninja Nerd Tech for more tech stories that matter.